Hello friends, it's wonderful to have you back. Today, we will see how to connect to an external database using Excel in AutoCAD Plant 3D 2024 and later versions. Let's get started. There are two methods to achieve this. The first method involves adding an MS Access database file in the project setup if you are using the basic version of AutoCAD Plant 3D 2024 without updates. The second method, available from versions 2024.1.2 onwards, allows you to link directly to a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet instead of using an Access database as your external data source. Please note, the first two columns should be reserved for conditional criteria, and the combination of values in these columns must be unique for proper database mapping. To start, open your project in the Project Manager of Plant 3D. Then, open the project setup. Navigate to General Settings and click on Database Setup. On the right side, under External Data Sources, click the Add button. In the Data Link Properties dialog box, go to the Provider tab and select Microsoft Office 16.0 Access Database Engine OLEDB Provider. Next, click the Next button or switch directly to the Connection tab. Under Data Source, enter the full path of your Excel file as shown in the video. Now, switch to the All tab and look for Extended Properties. Click the Edit Value button or double-click to open the Edit Property Value dialog box. In the Property Value field, enter the string value provided in the Notes section of the description. Once again, switch to the Connection tab and click on Test Connection. A dialog box will appear confirming that the test connection succeeded. If it fails, please verify the previous steps. Click OK to close the pop-up and then click OK again to close the dialog window. Finally, click the Apply button to save your settings. Now, you can go to any class definition where you want to map the external database. In this video, we will demonstrate the process using pipeline segments. Start by navigating to P&ID class definitions, then engineering items, followed by lines, and finally pipeline segments. An additional service property is created in pipeline segments, and acquisition is added from the pipeline group service to link the service property in the pipeline segments. On the right side, next to Properties, click the Map button. In the Map External Properties dialog box, select New Virtual Properties. You will see the Excel file linked under External Data Reference. Under Specific Key Properties to match, select the first external property to align with the Plant 3D property as shown in the video. Then, choose the second external property to match with the Plant 3D property as demonstrated. Note that you can select multiple external properties based on your needs. Next, go to Properties to display in Plant 3D section. Choose the external property to fill in the newly created virtual property name for the Plant 3D property as shown in the video. Click the Map Properties button, then click OK to save and exit the project setup. Now let's check if our configuration is working correctly. You will see in the Properties palette that when we update the spec and service of the pipeline segments tag, the virtual material property value is automatically fetched from the Excel file and displayed in the Properties palette. You can follow these same steps to map external properties in Plant 3D class definitions. If you encounter any issues, feel free to comment below and I will do my best to assist you. Also, let me know if you want to learn how to map an MS Access database. That's all for today. You have successfully learned how to map an external database in AutoCAD Plant 3D. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.